In our next workshop, we will have a look at shutdown planning in WaterNet Advisor. As usual, we will create a new scenario. Save it, activate, then select it from the list of analysis and create. So there are three ways how to operate shutdown planning in WaterNet Advisor. The first is simply select the pipe which needs to be shut down, and the result will show you how the system is responding to it. Another possibility is to load your valves from GIS, and it will actually show you which valves needs to be closed to shut down the particular pipeline, and then we'll close it. And the last option is used when your model includes the valve itself directly in it. So we don't have that, so we will not use this last version, but we can go through the first two possibilities. So at the first one, we will just select our pipes, then we select the pipe which we want to close. Now edit to the simulation, and we can see its ID, and we can actually say start and the end of the shutdown. So we can say that this pipe will be closed from 8 to say 13. Now we can just run the analysis. There are also possibilities to change our time steps as usual. We don't need that now. And when the simulation finished, see again in our table of contents, here are the results. You can check, for example, the pipe flows. Zoom in a bit. So at 4, 6, the pipe is still open. 7, now 8, pipe is closed. 10, you can see the whole system downstream is without the water all this time, and at 2 p.m. it's already open again. We can also have a look. We select the pipe again, and you can check the time series. You can see that it's running, and between 8 and 12 the pipe is closed. Now we can go back. And now for the GIS valves, we of course need to bring the GIS level layer into the WaterNet Advisor. So we go to Models, GIS Layers, and Add. Choose the predefined valves, which will create the predefined symbology as well. So select File, our valves in here. Now we go back to shutdown planning. Select, for example, this pipeline here. Bring the pipe to the simulation. Click on Find GIS valves. You can see those 3 valves were selected. I zoom in and see that in this cross section there is no valve, so it's necessary to close it here, here, and here to disconnect this pipeline. So now we can also set the time for each valve when it's planned to be closed. Can go from 10, 15. Here we have also the tolerance to find GIS valves. So if GIS it's not too precise and the valve would be a bit further from the pipeline, you can change the tolerance if the correct valves are not selected. So now we can just start analysis. Now we can check the results. Maybe at first can again double check the time series. Outline. Yeah, here you can see from 10 to 15 the pipe is closed. And we go to the map. You can see in a presentation that's running. You can also turn on the pressure. You can see what will happen with the pressure. And that's everything for this workshop.